guide you through the alignment of Warrior One pose, Virabhadrasana 1. So if you were starting from a downward dog position, and if I wanted to do this on the right side, the right leg, the foot is going to replace the right hand. And the left foot, the back leg, I'm going to bring that foot out to the side a couple of inches, bringing the heel down, having the foot turned out about 45 degrees. Coming upright, front leg is bent with the knee over the ankle. So turn to the front for a moment, giving a better view. So in Warrior One, the heels are hip width apart. There should be a gap in between your legs. So if I was facing you front on, and if I was any good at hockey, I'd be able to shoot a hockey puck in between your legs. Back foot turned out 45 degrees. With the front leg, make sure the knee isn't caving in or splaying outwards. And the knee is over the ankle. And with the hips, you want to check a few things. The hips should be level, parallel with the floor. Whichever leg is in front, you're going to want to draw that hip back and send the other hip forwards. So it's a little bit of a rotation here to square off the hips, bringing them parallel with what would be the front edge of your mat. You also want to make sure that one hip isn't dipping down like this. Hips are balanced in the center. The tailbone drops down a little bit, lengthening the lower back. And it's not like you're scooping the tailbone under, you're just dropping it down. So tailbone drops down, pelvis tilts back a little bit. So it's a little bit of a pelvic tilt. Spine is upright, elongated. Crown of the head is lifting. Adding in the arms. The arms will come up overhead. You could have them parallel or bring the hands together. The gaze could be forwards, or you could look up towards the hands. And the arms are straight. I find what helps here is to imagine that your arms are like a lightning bolt. You're sending a straight line of energy out through the arms. Or another image that might help is that you're striking a whip, getting that full extension.